Daddy. Daddy. Oh no. This is Daddy. Oh no.
Where'd the little girl go?
There's also. Daddy. Huh? Who's Daddy? Who's Daddy? Who's Daddy? Daddy. Who's Daddy?
Daddy.
Whoa.
Want to give her her stocking? Daddy.
What?
Want to give her her stocking? Yeah, she's open. What? Uh-oh, there's a stocking. Did Santa put something in your stocking?
Mama's stocking?
Huh?
What's in here?
Kleenex.
What's open? Daddy! Thank you.
You're welcome. Here, look, what else is in there? Kaya, what else is in there?
Daddy! 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 Daddy!
What's that? What's that, Kaya? Kaya, let me see. Why does she keep turning her back to me? What's that? Kaya, can I see?
Nope.
No.
You made me get down on the floor. What is that? Oh, it's a fire truck with Cheryl, the firefighter.
Go.
She climbs the ladder and she goes in.
Did you get everything out of your stocking?
Go.
And look. Kaya, Cheryl can swing too.
Swing.
Swing, swing. Or she can get back in her fire truck and go fight a fire.
Mommy. Uh-oh. Okay?
I'm okay. Oh, for your hair, to make it shiny. Uh-oh. Let's put the lid back on. We'll put that in the bathroom. No, no, no. Did you get everything out of your stocking, honey?
Hello.
What you got there?
Daddy.
I can't climb into the wall. Kaya, what you got?
Oh, shoe.
Toothbrushes? What else is in there? Is there anything else in that stocking?
Yeah.
You don't know? It feels like there might be something else. Uh-oh. Wipe. Kaya, is there something else in here? Ninja Dad. I think she's got here too. It's gone beyond just the nose.
Kaya, let me wipe your face.
Let's see. What else is in here? Kaya. What is that?
Daddy!
What else is in there?
I know. This is Daddy.
Is that Play-Doh?
No.
Yeah, it is.
Yep.
Yup.
No.
I know.
No money?
No, that's okay. I want to see what else is in your stocking.
No money?
Okay, thank you. I don't think it's to eat.
Money?
I don't think it's to eat.
No. No money.
Thank you. Oh, that's yummy. Thank you.
Yucky.
Oh, no, yucky. Let me try that one.
No.
Ooh, that is yucky.
Yucky. Thank you.
What else is in here?
Yes.
Hey, what else is in there?
No. Daddy. Thanks. Oh,
She want you to tell her that or ask her that?
Kaya, what's in your stocking?
No.
No?
That's not a yes or no question.
No.
Kaya, what's in your stocking?